Assistant Inspector missing after driving off with police vehicle. By staff reporter, ZIM Insight News. Mashonaland Central. Police in Mashonaland Central Province are on high alert after a mid-ranking officer, Assistant Inspector Mandisvidza, allegedly vanished with a marked Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, vehicle. According to an internal memo dated the 13th of August 2025, and seen by ZIM Insight News, the officer is suspected to have taken a ZRP Ford Ranger, registration number 033, which bears official police markings. The communication, originating from the Mazo District Police Chief, ordered all stations in Mashonaland East to immediately mount roadblocks and intensify patrols in an effort to intercept the missing officer and vehicle. The memo stated, "May all stations in Mazo District be on the lookout for ZRP Ford Ranger Reg 033, with police colors being driven by Assistant Inspector Mandisvidza. The vehicle is stolen at PGHQ, Police General Headquarters, by a /insp Mandisvidza and is believed to be in Mashonaland Central Province. Stations to mount roadblocks and patrols. If located, arrest and detain for CID Bindura." While the memo confirms the vehicle was taken from Police General Headquarters, it does not detail the circumstances under which Mandisvidza allegedly drove it away. Sources say the officer had not been accounted for by late Wednesday, prompting an intensified manhunt. Law enforcement officials have urged members of the public to report any sightings of the vehicle and to avoid direct confrontation. The incident has raised concerns within the force, as theft or unauthorized use of official vehicles by serving officers is considered a serious breach of discipline and criminal law.